Hi guys, my name is Fida and today we'll be unboxing Upliance 2.0. But before we start unboxing, let's see all the information you get right here on the box. So right here you have the information you want for warranty, customer support just in case, and the software updates as well. Okay, now let's just unbox because I can't wait. We have some tips for you if you're just a beginner, and a few of owner's manual script, and if there is an oops moment just in case. So keeping this aside, let's start with. So now that you can see I've pulled out my appliance from the box, you can see there's enough packaging present everywhere. So there's no chance for your appliance to be damaged from anywhere. So you can leave that on us because we take safety very importantly. Okay, now I can't wait to remove all the packaging and just start cooking. So let's see everything that we get. So we have a spatula. So I've taken out my Upliance 2.0 from the phone, and yeah, let me tell you about rest of the things. So the glass slab for the weighing is right here, completely secured so that there's no damage to it. So you can see it right here. And let me also tell you, let me try pulling this off for you. My God, that's tight. So you do not have to worry about it slipping away or moving from the table. So let's see what's inside the jar. So here you have your glass lid. Packaging again, you have your crown, 2 sets of measuring spoons as we promised, your blade covers, and the internal steamer basket. Wait, that's not it, there's something more inside. We have a cloth for you for just the cleaning purposes, and the jar. So yeah, that's it.